as if it is to be spoken in a presentation, in a structured presentation. Now in SSB, it is not a structured presentation. It will be a on-spot presentation of 3 minutes. So speed of delivery and maybe the modulation also needs some excitement, because this is being spoken from a stage for a larger audience, whereas you are talking in a class. When we talk in a class, our modulation is slightly different, and you have to be a little more talkative, not a script born. So presently you are getting a script born, we need to be talkative. It should look like that you are talking to these 9 people in front of you, and they are your audience, nobody else. Right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we quickly come to one small, are you having a small paper and pen in your hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Blue pen and blue paper? Blue pen and white paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
use black
Yes,
pen.
sir.
And quick story, quick PPT, within 4 minutes. Those who have attended, I want to see what happens today in this screen. I don't know anybody who would have attended, but I don't know about them. Let us proceed again and do this exercise. And start. 5 minutes. At minute 17, produce and narrate. As I said yesterday, it was a video message, but nobody has switched on video. I don't know why. Either you are indisciplined or you don't have sense of responsibility. The reason is not known to me. Why videos are not on? Continue writing, please. Time bond. Quick. टू 32 लिखिए, जल्दी से लिखिए 232, इधर उधर मत देखिए. (176), your video is off. (109) video possible.
Just number 107 submitted, sir.
Very good. Keep all of you videos on so that we continue to participate as live as possible in the advanced series to get full confidence. Just wait for others to complete. You can close your eyes and ready to narrate. Just write your script in mind now. The script is over. Turn the script off. Learn the technique. Whilst others are speaking, close your eyes and ears. Just narrate your story in a crisp manner, whatever you want to. That is the script writing in mind. This is the time you should not bother for anything else. Just start writing the script in your mind. To be a smart speaker, in 1 minute, short points. Now you have done a mistake of writing long background, long history, long lesson learned. To cut it down, make a quick script in the mind now, because there are 10 of them going to speak. You have this liberty to think more. Learn to switch off. Learn to switch off from the environment. That means learn to close your ears without physically closing them. That is the technique. Everybody submitted? Narrate, please. Go ahead. 107, start.
Good morning, friends. This is chess number 107. In this picture, I see 4 men.
107. Loud.
Good morning, friends. This is chess number 107. Am I audible now?
Yes, you audible.
Yes, you are audible.
In my story, I see 4 men. Men number 1, age 29, mood neutral. Men number 2, age 30, mood neutral. Men number 3, 5 years old and mood neutral. Men number 4, age 31, mood neutral. Action, wrong deeds and right actions. Shyam was a middle class worker. After his work, he used to play cards with his friends. One day, when he saw his 5-year-old watching him and his friends playing cards and smoking cigarettes, he had a quick realization. He then decided to quit smoking and then to create a good action in front of his child to make him a good person. Because a child sees what he becomes.
Good morning, friends. I saw.
In picture, I saw 4 characters, and one person is neutral mode and age between 5 to 24.
You are audible.
And my story goes like that. Rajiv is working on teacher's company and he returned to at home, and in Diwali vacation she was playing the cards, and also her friend participated with him, and
Okay, 121, you need a headphone and a speaker. हेडफोन यूज करिए स्पीकर के साथ, आवाज नहीं आएगी ऐसे में. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
Good morning, friends. I saw 4 main characters in this picture. Age between 11 to 32 years old. Mood is positive. Next on my story is a good message. Rahul is a 11-year-old boy who is studying in a 6th class and participated in extracurricular activities. One day he saw his father and his friend coming at home for some good time. But when he saw that his father friends and father is smoking and playing cards, then he decided that tell to them smoke kills to dangerous for the health, and he advised some disadvantages of the smoking which he learned in the school. And after that his father realized that his child is saying good for his health, and then
time up. Next. Time up. Next.
Good morning, everyone. This is chase number 240.
240. Hold down. Next.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this picture, I perceive that there is a 4 men, age around 15 to 32, and Ram was very brave and intelligent boy, and he was like after his graduation, he was going in the company for work, and he with his friends, after working, he used to play cards and did smoking. And while playing cards, he saw one boy come towards them, and he start asking about what are you doing, and he start playing with them. Then they realize that we are spreading a wrong message to our society. Then he with his friends stop. So I can complete my story.
Next, please.
I'm audible?
Yes, continue.
Yes.
Fast.
Yeah. In my perception, the story consists of 4 people. All are male. 3 of them are having age group between 25 to 30 years, and 1 boy having age of 12 years. The action of my story is taking lesson and improving. Ram was living in a city. He just got a new job. Along with that, he got some new friends. Some of his friends have habit of playing cards and smoking. Soon as it became habit of his also, and they started playing cards and smoking at his home. One day, when they are playing cards and smoking, his own child come to him and ask that what they are doing, and he also want to smoke and play cards. Seeing this, Ram realizes his mistake and promised his child to not to do so, and also advised his friend that we cannot continue playing cards and smoking as it is injurious to health, and that's all.
Next, please.
Good morning, everybody. So I perceive 4 characters. 3 of them are of all of them are male. 3 of them are of age between 24 to 32, and 1 is a child of age 7 to 8 years. So Nilesh was playing. Nilesh was having a small party of his success. So with his 2 friends, and Nilesh started smoking. His son came in the room with his book to check to make sure that to tell his father that he had completed his assignment, and his son asked Nilesh to take him out to the market. So then Nilesh told his son that he will be taking him out tomorrow, and they did so, and Nilesh bought him toys. Thank you.
All right, 240, go ahead. 109, would you like to speak? Well, okay, he's in office. Okay, 240, go ahead.
Good morning, friend. I have seen 4 characters in this picture. 3 is male, age 32, 35. 1 is child, age 8. The action of my story, right part towards the life. Rahul is addicted to play the gambling and smoking. Once he was playing with his friend, and his son came to him with his book. He stopped studying and started to watch them. He asked to his father to smoking. To see this, Rahul realized that what will be the impact of this environment on the mind of the child. So he decided to stop the gambling and the smoking. He also advised to his friends to stop the gambling and smoking, and show them the right path towards the life. Thank you.
Okay, house open for discussion on the PPGT, 27 July. Go ahead with the picture which I have shown you. And now you should discuss after your narration. Time starts now. Time is 091125. 1135 we will stop and conclude. Leader will be nominated. Go ahead.
So friends, as we have said that
there are 4 characters in the story, and all are male, and we consider that 3 of them are having age group between 25 to 30, and 1 is children. So we can go with the background of the story. It is looking like a home, and we can go with that they are playing cards and enjoying.
Yeah, I agree with the 2 to 6, and we should move further for the story, because as we have seen that the boy is advising the parents. So we can add the action of story is the message for the help, otherwise appearing.
I think not.
I think action should be the right path towards the life, because after stopping the smoking and gambling, so So he also show the path to the other friends of his other friends.
Yes, I agree to the just about 240 that action should be showing the right path, and I think we should not show that they are friends. I think it will be better when we show father with his friends, because it's too small to have such big friends. So I think the father and the son story can be good.
And definitely seeing the innocence and ask that he will not do and advise it.
But friends, no, अगर कभी घर में कर दे तो बिल्कुल
I think we should go further with the action. I know the
One minute. Listen to me. After speaking, mute your mic, especially 107. When your mic is on, it's all echoing to all. So 107, especially when you are using, immediately put your mic to mute. All others, when you want to speak, then you mute. Please be smart. Otherwise, nothing can be heard. Continue.
Yes. So as we have decided that there is four male characters, right? Action is age between 11 to 32. The last age is that, and we should move further for the action because we have decided that there is four characters, and then we should move further for the actions, right? There's chess number 240 set. Good message for that. And
so we can consider that bad friends are
we can
dangerous,
see in
like
this
gambling
picture.
and smoking.
And
In this
definitely
picture, we
can
can
add
see there is three men who are gambling and smoking, and one boy who's probably reading his book because there is a book in his hand.
so we can add one point here.
I have mentioned that a child will never say a father. I think the main action hero should be a father. That he realized that the child is learning something bad and we are doing a wrong action, and then he takes action. That would be more better.
I think
I'm agree to 107 because child has no capability. I'm agree to 107 because child has no capability to make understand someone. So his father, so one person of the picture.
Sorry to interrupt you 240, but I think there is should be the main hero is the child, because the child has the ability to understand what is good and what is bad. So I think if we have the knowledge that what is good and bad, we can advise his father. Right? So actually our main hero is the boy who is advising or saying his father to this movie is dangerous to help. So I think the main hero
what I think the age of a child is around 10 years. So I think
not we should continue about each age.
I want to.
maturity and
I'm not
by your
agree.
age also.
I'm not agree with this point
No
because
child
a child has the
teaches
curiosity
father
to change.
no child can
Child-
teach a
child
father
has-
what to do or
And
Yes,
definitely the
Ask him
time
what
the
to
child, they just
So
learn
we
everything that what to be. So seeing his innocence and his learning capability, the father realized his mistake and promised him not to do so in the future. That can be.
I'm agree with 2 to 6.
I agree with 2 to 6.
The thing is about self-realization. Even though if the child will say no, the father will continue doing the wrong deeds. It's the only topic about the self-realization that comes with it.
So
we can also consider like
we should conclude the story. That story should be go like that. There will be there's three men and one child, and because of the child they are gambling and smoking. Because of the child, the man self realized and stopped the smoking and gambling and stopped to the other to do so.
Yeah, and
but I think we should modify your word. We can add the add one point in the card for the gambling. Because gambling is playing with the money. Or we can add this one point here. They are playing cards in the club, doing a gambling. They are playing the cards and doing smoking. At that
And
time,
also with the starting of the story, we can add a point that Ramesh was got a new job. So earlier he was not doing so, but when he just got a new friends and he just become habitual of that. So we can also start our story with that.
or we can start that like he was having some small party or for his success or something, so that they are all only three of them are playing.
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, we can add this point. And
yeah, and we can add one more point in the end,
And
like
see,
after
we can see there's a money also.
they
in the
spread
table.
awareness in the society.
I think I seen the money on the table, and it's the part of the gambling when the money comes in the cards.
It's a
Yeah, but
Tripoli,
money
I think this can be the cards. This can be the cards, and we are playing the cards because we are dividing those cards. And which can be the card we cannot consider money. So we can at this
If
point
you
we
see the
should do a
background
book.
and situation, they are smoking, and it's a journalist
I agree with that.
situation of the
I agree with that. I
gambling,
agree with that. Your
There's
not
point.
the
no
card.
doubt about the actions, whether it is a money gambling or normal gambling, it's wrong anyways. So I think we should move towards the conclusion of the story and please open it
Yeah.
a little.
So should I conclude the story?
They are
I
not
think first
following.
we do that. Yes, I think first we do that.
Okay. So, sir.
You start.
Now you can continue.
So, as we all concluded, there are four men, age around 24 to 30, and a child age of 7 to 11. And you can say that the title, the action can be bad habits are dangerous. So, Nilesh with his friend was enjoying at his home for his success, and his child came with his book in his hand. When the Nilesh saw Nilesh was smoking, and when he saw that his child saw him, he decided to quit smoking and gambling. And he also advised his friends to not to do so because it imparts a bad impact on the child's thinking or mentality. Thank you, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had a PPDT, and all of you have. It is not a PPDT; it's a TAT because the imaginations are very, very aligned. Most of you realized that it is. As you see, this PPDT is very, very clear because it is very large character of people, all visible, no discretion or no variation in the imagination much. It's more of a tag, but I gave it to practice. And as you can see yourself that alignments are generally very, very close to the requirement. Remember the points here is to again, not to become a hero when you can't be hero. The child cannot be hero in this because he cannot self-realize, which was pointed out by you. Acceptance of social realities, smoking, playing cards for recreation at the correct age of life is important. Important means it is the part of the system. It is done in the society. So you cannot say something is wrong or right. Point is not to discuss that point. You have to take this as a positive story. It's a normal day-to-day life. Point here to bring out was that are we as a responsible parents keeping the children away from the environment in which they are not subjected to be at that age? And in case we are not aware of that, are we, while enjoying our adulthood life, are we also keeping a track of our parenthood, our brotherhood, our sisterhood, requirements to inculcate correct habits in the children? Else, the life is go